video. I was doing a bit of yoga with this tiny ball. It's smaller than my face. It's bigger than my face though. I mean, cause look. It's way bigger. She's the one. So, I'm going to be showing you the weirdest noise I can make. Am I singing? No, it wasn't my one, sorry. That's the way it is. Ah, stupid camera! You should never film while you're on your trampoline. She's flawless, she's the one. Let's chill out. I'm going to put some no music on and just bounce. Let's bounce, that is so fun. She's flawless, she's Yo, if you laugh at me, you get this. Oh, that's what Butter Sohel would do. You deserve that. I stood up all at the camera.